Put simply, a sandbox is a manually created course that allows you to experiment and to create content without fear that you're going to damage a live course where you have students and already it's published. To create this course, we just need to get to our course dashboard and I'll walk you through it. So notice here that I don't have any courses yet. However, on the right side, I do have this button that says start a new course. Now don't be alarmed if you don't have that button. Some institutions turn that feature off and they will then control how many Sandbox courses or what courses are generated. In order to get one, you just contact your administration and follow whatever procedures that they have for you. But for the rest of us, we're just going to click start a new course. And this gives us this dialog box right here. And mine already has a name in there, but you could call it whatever you want. I'm going to call mine Sandbox. And then it allows us to choose a content license between a private as well as a public domain license. For most people, you'll just choose private unless you have some reason that you want it to be in the public domain. Go ahead and click Create Course. And there we have it. Now we have a Sandbox course. So in this video, we've learned how to create a Sandbox course that you can then use to build content without fear of damaging a live course. Cheers.